In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom unsubscribe page in Mailerlite Classic. We all know that managing your email subscribers effectively is crucial to maintaining a healthy email list and ensuring your content reaches the right audience. So let's walk through these easy steps together and get you set up with a custom unsubscribe page. To begin, you'll first need to head over to Mailerlite's website. Simply open your web browser and type in mailerlite.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Login. Go ahead and click on that to start the process. Next, if you haven't already signed in, click on Sign In with Google to access your account. This is the fastest way to get in, provided you've linked your account with Google. If you're using a password manager, it might even be instant. Getting to your dashboard should be a breeze at this stage. Now that you're logged in, look for the Account Settings option. This is typically located in the top right-hand corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will take you directly to the settings page, where you'll have various options to manage your account preferences. Here you should see an option labeled as Unsubscribe Settings. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page specifically dedicated to managing how unsubscribes are handled in your email campaigns. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Unsubscribe Settings section, you'll notice a button that says Edit Content. This is your opportunity to customize the unsubscribe experience for your subscribers. By clicking this button, you are opening up the editor that allows you to personalize the page. Maybe you want to add a friendly message explaining why someone should stay subscribed, or perhaps you want to offer them more choices, like reducing the frequency of emails instead of unsubscribing altogether. After making your edits and tailoring the content to your liking, make sure to click on Save Template. This step is important as it locks in all the changes you've just made, ensuring they are applied whenever someone opts to unsubscribe. By saving the template, you are effectively deploying your custom unsubscribe experience to your audience. And there you have it, you've now successfully created a custom unsubscribe page in Mailerlite Classic. All these small touches go a long way in enhancing user experience and can even help in retaining subscribers who were initially considering opting out. If you follow these steps, you'll create an unsubscribe process that reflects your brand and gives subscribers a thoughtful farewell. Thank you for watching, and happy